Hey guys, this is Drew with zMAX. We're out here today doing a function and wear test with zMAX micro lubricants. We have two modern sporting rifle AR-15s that we're going to put through their test. We've got 5,000 rounds that we're going to equally split between the two, and we're going to basically show the difference between zMAX and Brand X. I've got the two modern sporting rifles that we're going to be using today. One that's been treated with zMAX, as you can see, nice and lubricated, and we've applied the same amount to Brand X that we're going to be running through their paces.